Okay, we've got a battery charger here. We've got the NOCO Genius 5. The 5 means 5 amps, so that's how much power it's going in. It's quite compact. The thing I found about this so far, I charged this lithium battery yesterday, and it was dead flat. It was down into the 10s. So it's holding its charge quite well. It'll be tested next weekend. The good thing about the battery charger, it does a number of different batteries. So it does different size batteries and different types of batteries. So it will do your lithium, and it will do, this one's a glass matte one. So it's got different types of batteries that it will charge. So you'll find that quite convenient. It also does repair and reverse damaged batteries, which is great. Particularly, that's why I'm trying this one particularly, because it's been quite old and damaged, I believe. The clips on this as well are quite big. You'll find that it'll have enough clips. If you want to come and quickly have a look at the clips, the alligator clips, you'll find that they are quite a good size. So you'll be able to grab a number of different size batteries. You won't overcharge your battery as well. There's a thing on here that picks it up so it won't overcharge, and you'll prolong your battery life. When you bring these down, you come home from camping or whatever you want to do, you chuck it on this, let it sit, you'll find that you'll prolong the battery life. And the good thing about this charger as well is it actually comes with a 3-year warranty. So it says, as like on the box, charge most lead, acid and lithium batteries to replenish lost battery power, which it does. You've got here your 6 volt and your 12 volt, and it's got your maintainer or maintenance charger, which is really effective for when you come home, you just want to sit them on, you don't want to let them drop too low, and they'll sit there at a night charge and it won't overcharge. So far so good with the NOCO Genius 5.